Welcome back. I'm Ramesh, PC Technician. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 laptops. Okay, if you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will get new videos notification at first. Without wasting time, let's get started. To install the Google Chrome, you need to use the default Microsoft Edge browser. So this is installed with default. You can find in the desktop, or if you don't find on the desktop, go to the Windows search bar and search for Microsoft Edge. In the best match result you'll find, click on that. Now in the URL section type google.com, then press enter. Now we are landed in the google.com. Then type Chrome download, then press enter. You'll find the bunch of results. Find the result which ended with www.google.com/Chrome. Open that. Here you find we are going to install the English version, that's why it's showing English version. So now you can land it with the Google Chrome download, or else you can directly enter the URL, that is www.google.com/ and Chrome, then press enter. Now we are on the same page. Then you will find download Chrome button. Click on that. The download will automatically start for you. If doesn't, then you can hit the download Chrome manually. Now you can find the download has been completed. Now open the folder. So this is the setup I have downloaded. Let me copy to the desktop. Friends, this is not runnable file. This is only installable file. We have to use this file to install the Chrome. To install, right click on that and select open. Now say yes. The installation will be started. First it will download few files which is required to install. After that it will install the files on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. Yes, it automatically launches after the installation. Let me close it for a while. So after installation you will find the Google Chrome icon on your desktop. So after installation we no longer needed the installable file. So click on that and delete. Now, so this is the Google Chrome we have installed on Windows 11. So right click on that and select show more options. Now click the pin to taskbar. So once you click on that, you will find the Google Chrome icon will pin to the taskbar. So now you can easily access this software from your taskbar. So let me open the Google Chrome. Now you can set it default on your Windows 11. To set this browser as default, click on the set as default. Now you will head into the default apps, then scroll down and find the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So click on that, then find a .html file, click on that and switch anyway and select Google Chrome and save OK. So like this you have to change the all default apps to the Chrome. So let it be, few will not be able to do that. So this is how I turned the Microsoft Edge into the Google Chrome as a default browser. So once you have done, close the window. So now you can easily use the Google Chrome as a default browser on your Windows 11 laptops. So that's it friends, this is how we can easily install the Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 laptops. Hopes this helps you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. I will meet you in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.